Peekaboo. You sing SpongeBob song? SpongeBob? Like a fish. Spongebob Squarepants. Yeah. If nautical nonsense be something you wish, Spongebob Squarepants. Tweet tweet. That's at the end. Okay. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? I see you're eating. Okay. Oh, wait till you're done with it.
Mom, did you call me?
No. I'm filming.
Huh?
I'm filming
Oh.
Phoebe. Missy. I mean, Leedle. Leedle Leedle Lee. Leedle Leedle. Because he was singing SpongeBob. So I turned the camera on.
SpongeBob Squarepants, SpongeBob Squarepants, SpongeBob Squarepants. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? No. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Can drop on the deck and flop like a fish. SpongeBob Squarepants. Will never come up since we something you wish. SpongeBob Squarepants. SpongeBob Squarepants.
SpongeBob Squarepants.
SpongeBob Squarepants. SpongeBob. What actually? Yeah, it'll forgot my name. Never said I was like,
Leedle. Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Aye, aye, Captain. Oh. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Absorbent and yellow and porous, you see. Spongebob Squarepants. If nautical nonsense be something you wish, Spongebob Squarepants, and flop on the deck and flop like a fish. Can't see any more? SpongeBob Squarepants. Toot-toot. Okay.